Hello students, how are you? I feel all are fine, and in the COVID situation we should have to take care. बाहर नहीं निकलना है, जब ज़रूरत है तब निकलना है, otherwise no need. And we should have to focus on your study, but I know that it is very difficult to tell to you. And the mind is so important. How you can you know fight with the situation, this is the most important aspects in nowadays. So you should have to take care and you know build up your mind, because आपको पता है कि इस माइंड की बहुत बड़ी सारी ताकत हमारी यहाँ पर होती है. तो वी शुड हैव टू focus on your study. And माई बैच स्टार्ट्स वेरी सून, जैसे कि मैं आपसे डिस्कस कर चुका था. एंड होपफुली 21 June फॉर ऑफलाइन क्लासेस, एंड द later on it may be flexible. Why? Because the COVID situation, we are not in our hands, and the government rules and the regulations, I can't give any proper guideline to you. But as per the tentative dates, I am just announcing that is 21 June, and as well as the online classes. If you want to contact with me, you can just contact with the Idea Zone. It is my institute name, and I am running this institute. As well as we will provide the accounts, eco, and business study classes for 11th and 12th, and BCom, and as well as MBA, MCom, right, higher classes. But the majorly concern we are starting right now for like accounts, eco, and business. And especially if you need any help, right, you can contact with me. I will deliver the number as well as the email ID, and then you can easily give the you know easily send me a lot of questions, whatever you want in the life related to the education. I will try to just solve as SAP. But the most important thing, whenever you will read any question, right, जब आप पढ़ते हैं तो क्वेश्चन पे ज़्यादा ध्यान लगाइए, आंसर के ऊपर ध्यान कम लगाइए. आंसर अपने आप ऑटोमेटिकली बनता ही बनता है, राइट. लेकिन उसके लिए हमें एक डायरेक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है. वी नीड अ डायरेक्शन, वी नीड अ कोरिलेशन, देन वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड गिव द बेस्ट अकॉर्डिंगली. अब हम इस बात को यहीं पर ख़त्म करते हैं, और just I will put or give the best for my side. And ऐड करना चाहेंगे यूट्यूब चैनल पे एज वेल एज़ वीडियो हम करेंगे, लेकिन उसके लिए भी मैं आपको करूँगा. और आप उस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, आइडिया जोन, अगेन आई एम सेइंग. एंड माय ईमेल आईडी एंड कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर विल बी डिलीवर्ड वेरी सून. एंड डोंट वरी with related to your financial condition as well as your mental condition. I am always with you students. Best of luck, stay safe, take care, and try to promote and try to you know give the best results as far as possible. And सबसे important बात, कर्म करो. Don't think whatever may be the result. Do the best and leave on the good. That is the most important point. And I really appreciate कि आप लोगों के सहयोग से हम लोग इतनी मेहनत करते हैं. ठीक है, तो आप ये मत सोचिएगा कि मेरी मेहनत से कुछ होगा. हमेशा जब तक सब मिलकर काम नहीं करते हैं तब तक रिजल्ट नहीं आता है. तो आवर पेरेंट्स, आवर टीचर्स, आवर स्टूडेंट्स, and our mentors, God, everything connected with us, and we should have to pray and deliver a lot of things right now. But focus, focus, focus. धीरे धीरे मैं आपको नए नए चैनल्स प्रोवाइड करूँगा. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू.